Penguin migration is a fascinating and complex phenomenon that showcases the resilience and adaptability of these remarkable birds. Known for their distinctive waddling gait and tuxedo-like appearance, penguins are flightless birds primarily found in the southern hemisphere, with the majority residing in and around Antarctica. The concept of migration among penguins often evokes images of harsh icy landscapes and challenging conditions, yet this journey is critical for their survival and reproductive success. Each species of penguin exhibits unique migratory behaviors, driven by environmental factors such as food availability, breeding cycles, and seasonal changes. Migration is a fundamental part of the life cycle of many penguin species, most notably the emperor penguin and the Adelie penguin. The emperor penguin, the largest of all penguin species, undertakes one of the most extraordinary migrations in the animal kingdom. During the harsh Antarctic winter, these birds travel considerable distances to reach their breeding colonies. After the females lay their eggs in May, they transfer the egg to the males, who incubate it on their feet under a flap of skin known as a brood pouch. The females then embark on a journey up to 80 kilometers away to feed in the nutrient-rich waters, while the males endure the bitter cold, sometimes facing temperatures as low as -60 degrees Celsius. This period of fasting can last up to 2 months, highlighting the penguins' remarkable endurance and adaptation to their frigid environment. The migration patterns of the Adelie penguin also reflect the harsh realities of their icy habitat. These smaller penguins primarily breed on the Antarctic coast and migrate to open waters as sea ice forms and melts with the changing seasons. During the summer months, Adelie penguins gather in large colonies to breed, with both parents sharing the responsibility of incubating their eggs and feeding their chicks. As winter approaches, they move toward the sea ice, where they can access food sources like krill and fish. Their migratory behavior is closely tied to the availability of ice and open water, which dictates their foraging strategies and overall survival. One of the most captivating aspects of penguin migration is the impact of climate change on their patterns. The rapid warming of the Antarctic region is causing significant changes in the sea ice dynamics, which directly affects penguin populations. As the ice melts earlier and forms later, the timing of the migration and breeding cycles becomes disrupted. This shift can lead to mismatches between the timing of chick hatching and the availability of food, jeopardizing the survival rates of the young penguins. The decreased ice coverage also means fewer safe breeding grounds, leading to increased competition for limited resources among the various penguin species. Scientists and researchers are closely monitoring these changes, as understanding penguin migration in the face of climate change is crucial for conservation efforts. Another important aspect of penguin migration is the social behavior exhibited during these journeys. Penguins are highly social animals, often migrating in large groups, which provides safety in numbers against potential predators. This communal behavior not only helps protect individual penguins, but also facilitates cooperative feeding strategies. For instance, when foraging, penguins often work together to drive schools of fish into tighter formations, making it easier for them to catch their prey. This social structure is vital for the survival of the species, especially in the challenging conditions they face in the Antarctic waters. In addition to social dynamics, the migratory journeys of penguins are also characterized by remarkable navigational abilities. Despite the vast and featureless expanse of ice and ocean, penguins possess an innate sense of direction that guides them during their migrations. They rely on a combination of visual cues, the Earth's magnetic field, and possibly even the position of the sun to navigate their way through the icy landscape. This impressive navigation skill is essential for returning to their breeding colonies and locating food sources, highlighting the evolutionary adaptations that penguins have developed over millions of years. The interplay between migration and the broader ecological context is also worth noting. Penguins play a crucial role in the Antarctic ecosystem, acting as both predators and prey. Their feeding habits help regulate the populations of krill and fish, which in turn affects the entire food web in the region. As penguins migrate, they influence the distribution of marine life, contributing to the ecological balance of their environment. Conversely, changes in the availability of prey species can impact penguin migration patterns, demonstrating the intricate connections between different elements of the ecosystem. Conservation efforts are increasingly focusing on penguin migration due to the challenges posed by climate change and human activities. Habitat destruction, overfishing, and pollution are all threats that exacerbate the vulnerabilities faced by penguin populations. Various organizations are working to protect key breeding grounds and migratory routes, ensuring that these remarkable birds can continue their life cycles without interruption. Additionally, raising public awareness about the plight of penguins is essential for garnering support for conservation initiatives. Documentaries, educational programs, and citizen science projects play a significant role in engaging people with penguin migration and the broader issues facing marine ecosystems. In conclusion, penguin migration is a captivating journey that encapsulates the resilience and adaptability of these extraordinary birds. From the emperor penguin's epic journey to the Adelie penguin's seasonal foraging patterns, each species showcases unique migratory behaviors shaped by environmental factors. However, the impact of climate change poses significant challenges, threatening the delicate balance of their ecosystems and the survival of penguin populations. As we continue to study and understand these migrations, it becomes increasingly clear that protecting penguins and their habitats is vital not only for their survival but also for the health of the Antarctic environment as a whole. The story of penguin migration is a testament to the interconnectedness of life on Earth, highlighting the importance of conservation efforts to ensure that future generations can witness the incredible journeys of these remarkable birds.